This sweet red bean porridge is a flavorful meal to enjoy anytime. You can take this bowl to work or school or even enjoy it at home. It is simple to prepare and can be stored at room temperature until you are ready to eat. This porridge is produced by CJ Foods, which is one of the leading Asian food companies. Bibigo is a subsidiary of CJ Foods and is the only Korean food brand for consumer packaged goods that makes it deliciously simple for American consumers to enjoy the unique and modern flavors of Korean dining. The flavor of this porridge is sweet and has a deep, long simmered taste. These beans have been cooked slowly for a delectable, authentic Korean flavor. The main ingredients of this porridge are water, rice beans, sweet bean paste, sugar, and sticky rice flour. The texture is smooth and rich. The whole red beans are tender, but not mushy. This bowl contains 1 serving of porridge. Each serving contains 290 calories, 1.5 grams of fat, no cholesterol, 570 milligrams of sodium, 59 grams of carbohydrates, 3 grams of fiber, 22 grams of sugar, and 11 grams of protein. Since this porridge bowl is packed with 11 grams of protein, it is a filling food. It is, however, quite sweet. Red beans are healthy thanks to their high dietary fiber content, which improves digestion. This porridge bowl is produced in a facility that also uses milk, eggs, fish, shellfish, tree nuts, peanuts, wheat, and soybean. You can store this package at room temperature before preparing. The shelf life is about a year if stored properly in a cool, dry place. To make this delicious sweet red bean porridge, all you need to do is open the package and peel back the top to the peel to heat line and set it in the microwave to heat up for 1 minute and 30 seconds. This package will be hot after heating. Handle it with care when removing the bowl from the microwave. After letting it cool, you can enjoy it by itself or accompany it with a side of rice. This red bean porridge is sweet and makes for a great, quick meal anytime. Each porridge bowl comes with a plastic wrapped spoon for your convenience. It is great to be able to enjoy authentic Korean flavors while saving time. Now I'm going to open up this package of red bean porridge. Here's the disposable spoon included with the package. Here, you can see the instructions on the top lid. After peeling back the top lid, I'll microwave it for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Here's the prepared red bean porridge.
Ooh, yummy.
I hope you'll try it out and enjoy the sweet flavor of this red bean porridge bowl.
Enjoy. Bye bye.